Today we're playing Survive the Killers Part 2.
Hi guys!
You've been dead. But yeah, Survive the Killers. AFK guys, I'm pooping on that. Hey guys, I'm back. So, today we're playing a game that we literally just recorded probably like 30 minutes ago. Chase, where are you at?
Right here.
Okay, so Survive the Killers, and these killers are crazy, and we have to survive them.
Oh yeah, see, I have 15 kills. I revived 17 people, and I escaped 14 times.
Let me see my stats. So let's see. I killed 30 people, 15 revives, and 12 escapes.
Mostly, I have more than you, but not on this one.
Yeah, because I'm a beast. I'm good at killing. So yesterday we were playing auto rap battles, and this lady was literally roasting the shirt me and Chase have on because it looked like it was free. Hey, this took me an hour to make. It took me like an hour to outline the hamster, but then the rest was easy. But it still took me a while. That was like my first time making shirts when I had made this, but now I'm a pro. I might even upload a shirt making tutorial. You must have premium to make a shirt though. She got her revenge. So use this code to get a free knife. I'm not talking about you.
Spooky 2020, and you'll get the Halloween knife.
Yep, use the code Spooky2020. Click redeem, and then it's. Of course, I already have the knife, but you'll
Yaki,
get the knife.
Your friend right here? Yaki, is this your friend?
No.
He must be a fan.
But Chase, equip the knife. No, go into knives.
I did.
You didn't. It doesn't look like it on mine. Granny.
Right. I'm in the maze. I spawned in the same house I was in. I'm going to the maze.
I'm already in the maze.
Okay, over here.
I didn't spawn in the maze, but I literally spawned in a house right outside of the maze.
I'm trying to find it.
It's like, they don't want to get copyrighted, so they don't call her by her name. They call her, in this game, Killer Grandma.
I can't find it.
How can you not find the exit?
I am at the exit. It's like taking me in circles. Oh, never mind. I found it. Are you in the rusty house?
Granny.
Get back in the maze. Go find the rusty house.
This is where Granny lives, inside of a rusty house. Let me get that fuel.
That's some XP. Where that fuel at? Where that fuel at, my boy? Where my fuel at? My G?
You're like, where my fuel at? Where my fuel at? Where my fuel at, you? My gangster. Oh wow. Scammer bot.
Scammer bot.
Scammer bot.
Scammer bot.
Okay, I'm gonna let these guys know that this will so yeah,
But don't.
who knows what's going on? This will probably come because there's so many other people in the survey.
I wish you can somehow get on top of it. Scammer.
So, this guy literally tried to hack Chase. He was like, do you want free admin in all games and Robux? And Chase was like, yeah. So he friended him. He invited him to a game and he was like, okay, give me your password so I can go on your account and add the Robux. Never trust that. Because they're trying to get your password to hack and steal your account. And then after they go inside the account, they're going to change the password and verify their email.
My name is Civilian, and I'm in the new vehicle. I believe this is it. I'm really hoping this is it.
And some of,
They will chase you until the end of the documentation. And there's a copy right there.
Girl. Yeah, kid. Tomorrow I might be getting a go-kart. You want to know how?
how?
There's like this shop that gives away prizes.
Where?
Huh?
At school?
Yeah.
I don't think they would give away a go-kart to kids.
Like, it's called...
Chase, I did the event last year. It's fun run. It's a fun run.
Yeah. But they did say you can win a prize like that.
Yeah, you can win a bunch of prizes. Like last year, they had these weird Beyblade things that were like flying Beyblades that my friend, he shot it up and it like cut him in the eye. That thing was dangerous. I need to get it.
Why? Why?
I don't remember what this guy is named, but I have the skin. You get it at level 5.
I'm at the swamp.
Why this map? I see you.
Really? So where am I?
I see you. You are on. I see you.
I'm on top of the road.
I'm Granny. I see you.
Oh, he's near. He's so near. Oh, he's right there. He's a camper.
OMG, 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 I'm an SMG. He's gonna shoot me in the head with an SMG.
Yo, go. I'm glad this guy kind of doesn't have short legs. He's a camper.
Stop camping the body.
Go, bro, run! Oh God!
This is kind of an OP spot in the swamp map, but it's not an OP spot at the same time Most of the overpowered spots in this game are literally right next to this exit, and this is the killer's spawn.
Bro, he's literally close to us, but literally camping. He's literally camping the body. Some people might die.
And it's because he's a camper. He's up here.
I'm out.
He's chasing you. He's chasing you. I juked him up.
Get this lady.
I juked him up.
I'm up.
I hate players who just camp bodies. It's like,
Who? Almost every single game we played, he literally camped the body.
so you can't heal them. And it's just unfair. It's against the rules, too.
So this is actually really cool.
He's literally, I literally see the hell, no camping sign. Go, bro, go, run.
If these people could read, whenever someone gets knocked, it says literally it says help me, no camping.
They don't even care.
But it's like, nah, I'm gonna camp the body because it's a good way to get free kills. They should make it to where if you're near the body, it pushes you away to where you can't be near the body, but other players can to heal them.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming. Should I go save him?
We
Should I pay for it?
can't. There he is.
He's right there, Bacon Boy. Bacon Boy, come on. Okay, we are close to an exit.
Get on the roof. Get back on the roof.
Coming.
He's like, we helped y'all. I didn't help you. You didn't help me. I haven't even been.
The basement is an OP spot. I'm downstairs in this basement. Go stay up there. I'm right here. Get the fuel thing from the basement.
No, exit.
Over here. Done.
Like some killers even camp the exits. It's just like unfair.
Where is he at?
Lol, this game's even trying to make me purchase Roblox Premium.
I'm just gonna go ahead and escape.
It's like it says you get more knives. What knives do I get? More knives? What do you mean? I don't have any more knives. All the knives I get, you have to buy. There's the Blade of Halloween. Oh, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video if you want to.
AFK right quick.
The pop-up you said, Mamma Mia. This is the best Game Pass because it's like, it's just fair. So yeah, go like and subscribe. And subscribe. Join my group to get the shirts me and Chase have.
This is so fast. Yeah, guys. This thing is ridiculous.